Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring Lycamobile, found online at www.lycamobile.com. Lycamobile offers a range of mobile services, making it a convenient option for many. Their website provides a wealth of information, detailing various plans and options available to consumers. Navigating through the site, you'll find sections dedicated to international calling, data bundles, and other useful features. Lycamobile emphasizes its commitment to providing affordable and accessible communication solutions. They offer a variety of prepaid and pay-as-you-go options, giving users flexibility and control over their spending. The website outlines the different plans, highlighting key features like call rates, data allowances, and international roaming capabilities. For users who require frequent international communication, Lycamobile presents a compelling proposition with competitive rates for calls and texts to various countries. The site provides detailed information on coverage areas and specific rates for different destinations. Beyond international calling, Lycamobile also offers domestic plans with various data and call allowances, catering to a diverse range of customer needs. Exploring the website further, you'll find resources such as FAQs, customer support contact information, and online account management tools. Lycamobile also highlights their presence in multiple countries, emphasizing their global reach and accessibility. They cater to a diverse customer base, offering services tailored to specific regions and needs. Whether you're looking for an affordable way to stay connected internationally or need a flexible domestic mobile plan, Lycamobile.com is a resource worth exploring. They provide comprehensive information on their offerings, empowering users to make informed decisions based on their individual requirements. Be sure to check out their website for the most up-to-date details on plans, pricing, and coverage.